in English language. So, Mr. Satyam, you are most welcome to Gyan English classes and start your point of view of panel area.
Hello everyone, my name is Satyam Kumar and I read in class 8. I am learning English from Gyan English classes under the guidance of Mr. Gyan sir. I am gonna express about my point of view on student life. Well, there is a time for everything, and if I talk about student life, the student life is the most important part of human life because it is the foundation upon which we survive our whole life. If we lose this moment, we have to face many difficulties in every step of life. So at last, I wanna say that be a disciplined student because discipline matters a lot in a student life. That's all. Thank you for listening to me.
Wow, dear, excellent, fantastic. Keep it up your good work. Okay, I appreciate your skill and talent. So, hello guys, at last I wanna say that before separating from you, if you also wanna make your children speak English fluently, please must join Gyan English classes. That's all. Thank you very much.